So, ayun mga susmars, welcome back ulit sa ating YouTube channel. So, for today's video and content, we have another unboxing na naman dito sa ating channel ng isang Android phone. And as you can see, we have the Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus. So, this is 5.95 millimeter design with a new slim record redefined. So we have here 16 gig of RAM with 256 gig of ROM. Sony IMX882, and then in-display fingerprint scanner. Oh, sound by JBL. Okay. Alright. So the unit that we have is titanium silver. And then, a quick specification tayo. So, 5,160 mAh battery capacity with 45 watts charging. Okay. AMOLED eye care display. Ooh. So, we also have here MediaTek Helio G200. Okay. Front-facing camera is 13 megapixel with selfie camera na 50 megapixel Sony IMX882. Okay. So far, yun lang naman yung ating quick specification pagdating sa box. So, let's proceed na. Okay, let's open up the box already. I'm so excited to check this unit since, as you can see right there, it's a new slim record redefined daw. So, tingnan natin later on. So, okay. So, later on na natin i-check si unit. Let's proceed na checking the box, the inclusion of the box. So, we have here, okay. What's this? What's this? How to use sideboard. We have guidelines in here and manuals and pin ejector or pin eject tool indeed. And then we have tempered glass in here. Okay. And a hard case. Oh, ang cute ng hard case niya, ha? Very slim din. We have 45 watts charging brick. And then of course, hindi mawawala si ating charging cord, Type-C charging cord. So far, yun lang naman yung inclusion niya with the box. Okay, so let me just put this one back. And then, let's proceed na checking the unit. We have to be careful. Ooh, so slim, ah. Ang slim niya. Tingnan nyo siya kung gaano siya ka-slim, ah. Oh, we have power button in here and volume button up and down. Bottom part, we have the charging port, SIM tray, microphone, and speakers. Okay, sa left corner, this is a plain aesthetic slim vibe. Sa upper corner, we have another speaker in here. And we have a ano ba to? Watermark ba to? Sound by JBL. Oh. So, titingnan natin kung gaano nga ba kaganda. Kasi since JBL to, for sure, maganda ang speaker nito. So, check na natin kaagad yung design and quality. Okay. Oh. Okay. So, we have here Infinix Hot 60 Pro. Okay. Matte finish. So, hindi siya prone sa mga fingerprints, smudges, or any like minimal scratches. So, ayan, very slim and aesthetic yung ating Infinix Hot 60 Pro. As you can see, sobrang slim niya. Siguro, wala pang ano to eh. Siguro parang sobrang nipis niya. Pero may agam-agam na ganito din ako kanipis yung ating 17 Air. iPhone 17 Air. So, imagine, hopefully lang na matibay to, no? Na hindi siya like sobrang, hindi siya, alam niyo na, mabilis mabend. Since yun yung nakakatakot. And as you can see, curve yung kanyang design. Wow. Okay. So, open na natin to mga sis Mars. And is-set up ko lang to real quick. Balikan ko kayo. Ayan, so na-set up na natin to mga sis Mars. And as you can see, grabe ang smooth niya. And sobrang slim at gaan niya. So, quick settings lang tayo saglit. Siyempre, lalabas natin buong details nito sa ating full review and camera review. Pero quick, ayan, settings. Okay. Camera. I'm excited for the camera since this is a Sony camera. Ooh. Grabe ang ganda nito. Ang ganda siya, in fairness. Okay, so far yun lang naman yung isi-share ko sa ating quick unboxing with this Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus. So again mga sismars, abangan yung full review natin dito in camera review. So, buyers!